Good morning, all of you. I Razia Pathan from Gnanmanji Vidyapit, Standard 4th. So, students, today we'll start Standard Unit 4 Weight. Today we'll start Standard Unit 4 Weight. So, in that, kilogram and the gram are the standard unit. Kilogram and gram वो क्या है standard unit है. For weight, kilogram is used for the heavier object. वेट के लिए जो हैवियर ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए जो थिंग्स यूज होती है वो विच वन इज दैट किलोग्राम्स एंड ग्राम इज यूज फॉर द लाइट ऑब्जेक्ट. अगर हमें कोई लाइट थिंग्स है वो उसका वेट हमें फाइंड करना है सो एट दैट टाइम विल यूज ग्राम. ओके, हैवियर ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए हम किलोग्राम का यूज करेंगे एंड लाइट ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए विच ऑब्जेक्ट वी हैव टू यूज with things we have to use gram. Okay, so kilograms and the grams are the standard unit for weight. Kilogram is a use for heavier object and gram is a use for the lighter object. Okay, now see, let's see different object and living being and identify their weight in the kilogram or grams. Now here I'll show you different object. So we can identify which weight we have to use. Okay, kilogram either than grams. So let's see that. Now chocolate. Okay, chocolates के लिए what we use? Which weight we have to use? Kilogram or grams? Okay, so in that we have to use gram. Why? बिकॉज जो चॉकलेट है वो कैसा ऑब्जेक्ट है, लाइट ऑब्जेक्ट है. दैट्स द रीजन हम क्या यूज करेंगे उसके लिए, ग्राम यूज करेंगे. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज अ राइस. राइस को हम कौन से वेट में, राइस इज अ हैवियर ऑब्जेक्ट, राइट. राइस है वो कैसा ऑब्जेक्ट है, हैवियर ऑब्जेक्ट है. तो उसके लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे, किलोग्राम और ग्राम्स. सो यहाँ पे देखो हम यहाँ पे यूज करेंगे kilograms. Now check it out. This one is answer is correct or not? So answer is correct. We'll use the grams or kilograms. Okay. Now next one object is a toothbrush. Next one is a toothbrush. So in that what we have to use? Which weight? Gram. Which weight we have to use? Gram. Okay. Now next let's see. Watermelon. So from watermelon is a heavier object. So we'll use kilogram. Now see, correct answer. Yes, this one is a correct answer. Now next one, chips packet. Chips packet of course grams is there. Now next one, shop. Shop के लिए हम क्या use करेंगे? Shop is a light object, right? Correct. So we'll use the kilogram. Now next one, we'll use the gram. Shop के लिए हम क्या use करेंगे? Gram, because of the light object is there. Now big fish and small fish. Two fishes fishes are there. ठीक है, यहाँ पे two fishes है. So उसके लिए हम अगर big fish है, so at that time what we use, kilogram. But the small fishes are there, at that time what we use, gram. Okay. Now see, from the big fish we'll use kilogram. From the small fish we'll use gram. Now dragonfly and the dog. So dragonfly is a light object, right? Dragonfly is a light object. So we'll use the gram for dragonfly, and from dog we'll use the kilogram. Now see, it is a correct answer, grams and kilograms. Mobile phone and laptop. Mobile phone is a light object and laptop is a little bit heavier object. So from mobile phone we'll use the kilograms and from laptop we'll use the grams and the laptop from will use the kilograms. Okay. So students, यहाँ पे आप लोगों ने जो ऑब्जेक्ट देखे अभी तक, ठीक है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप आइडेंटिफाई अभी कर सकते हो कि कौन से ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए हम किलोग्राम यूज करेंगे और कौन से ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए हम ग्राम यूज करेंगे. ओके, नाउ लुक एट दिस. ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स विल स्टार्ट वर्कशीट नंबर 7. We'll start worksheet number 7. In that worksheet, weight. Worksheet number 7, page number 37. Weight. Page number 37 weight. Okay, so in that here weight of different object and living beings. ठीक है, so in that now see, here is a object and here is a weight. Object and weight, both the things we are having, right? Object and weight, both the things we are having. So in that paper clip, shop, 3 apples, rice, 9 years old child and cow. Here is a 1 gram or 1 gram. The short from gram is now 100 grams, 500 grams, 1 kg, 13 kg and 1000 kilograms. 1000 kilograms. Okay. Now first of all you all have to look at this object. Okay students, now see paper clip. So paper clip का weight है वो कौन सा होगा? Which one is that? So if the paper clip is there at that time 1 gram, वो 1 gram का भी हो सकता है because of the this one is a shorter object. Shorter from the 4 grams is जी ठीक है, shorter object. Then the shop. So कोई भी हम शॉप लेंगे एटलीस्ट वो 100 ग्राम्स का तो होगा ही होगा. ठीक है, अगर इफ वी आर यूजिंग द शॉप, सो शॉप है वो 100 ग्राम्स का होगा ही होगा. ठीक है, दैट्स द रीजन व्हाट वाज द रिटन हियर 100 ग्राम. 3 एप्पल्स आर हियर, सो 3 एप्पल्स इज इक्वल टू 500. 3 एप्पल्स वो कितने ग्राम्स के होंगे? 500 ग्राम्स के होंगे. देन द राइस बैग है वो कितने केजी की होगी? 1 किलो केजी की होगी, 1 किलोग्राम्स की होगी. देन हियर इज अ 9 ईयर ओल्ड चाइल्ड. 9 ईयर ओल्ड चाइल्ड है वो कितने केजी की होगी? 13 किलोग्राम्स की होगी. कितने केजी की होगी? 13 किलोग्राम्स. एंड हियर इज अ काउ. सो काउ इज द हाउ मेनी kilograms is there? Cow is a 100 kilograms. Now what you have to do? You have to look at this and write it down in your rough book. Okay students, now we'll start. Let's estimate weight or some object. For the estimates we need to compare the weight of an object with some weight that we already know. हमें जिसका weight already मालूम है उसके साथ हम compare करेंगे. ठीक है, so let's see that. Now see, here use the weight balance and calculate how many apples weight 1 kilograms. यहाँ पे देखो 1 kilograms के यहाँ पे एप्पल्स भी है. ठीक है, हमने इसका वेट किया. सो यू ऑल आर लुक एट हियर. यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हुआ है? 1 kg. ठीक है, 1 kg में कितने एप्पल्स है वो हमें फाइंड करना है. ठीक है, सो हाउ वी राइट 1 kg is equal to 4 apples. How we identify that? Because of the here is a now count with me 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many apples are here? 4 apples. Place the 4 apples in a small bag. Now 4 apples है वो कौन सी प्लेस बैग है? स्मॉल बैग में. Lift the bag of the apple for 10 or 20 seconds to get a good idea of the how much 1 kg feels like. Now 1 kg में कितने एप्पल्स आएंगे? In a 1 kg 4 apples are there. Okay. Now let's estimate the weight of the bag. Now here is a bag. Bag कोई भी whatever person is there, कोई भी person होगा वो बैग को easily कैरी कर सकता है, right? So ये बैग है 1 boy के पास, उसका वेट कितना होगा? How we identify that? So lift the bag. This bag is the fill heavier than the bag and the apple. So it should be more than the 1 kg. ये बैग है वो 1 kg से ज्यादा हेवी होगा. ठीक है, It's feel like the weight is the double the weight of the apple. I think the weight of the bag is a 2 kg. अभी ये बैग है वो कितने kg का होगा? 2 kg का होगा. ठीक है, I am going to divide the class into 5 groups for this activity. Now see हम क्या करेंगे अगर हम क्लास में होंगे. ठीक है, so अभी यहाँ पे you will be estimate the weight of the bottle in your group. Now हमें हमारे now look at first. We'll do one activity. ठीक है, what we have to do? You will estimate the weight of the bottle in your group. अभी हमारे पास यहाँ पे bottles है ग्रुप में. ठीक है, then place 4 apple in the bag कवर, हमने जो एप्पल एक बैग में रखे उसकी प्लेस पे बोतल रखेंगे. 1 by 1 lift the 1 kg apples, get good idea for how much 1 kg feel like. ठीक है. Then how much you think your bottle weight, आपकी बोतल का वेट कितना होगा. कंपेयर दिस बॉटल वेट विद द 1 kilograms एप्पल दैट यू लिफ्ट. ना हमें ये जो बॉटल है उसका हमें किसके साथ कंपेयर करना, एप्पल के साथ हम बॉटल को कंपेयर करेंगे. टेक गेस अबाउट द वेट एंड द नोट डाउन नाउ. नाउ जैसे आप लोग 1 kg एप्पल लोगे और बोतल लोगे तो आपको आइडेंटिफाई हो जाएगा कि सबसे ज्यादा बोतल का वेट किसके पास है. ठीक है. एंड देन द टीम विद द स्मॉलेस्ट डिफरेंस विन्स. कोई भी टीम से वो ये ट्रॉफी है वो विन कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ लुक एट दिस. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ विल स्टार्ट वर्कशीट नंबर 8, estimate weight. So tick, write the estimate the weight of the animals and the things given below. Now one dog 500, one dog is here. Okay, one dog is here. 500 kilograms, 25 kilograms, 300 kilograms, 300 grams. The estimate weight of a dog is, so 25 kilograms. How many kilograms is there? 25. So here we have to write 25 kilograms. What we have to write? 25 kilograms. Now an iron is here. So in that 10 grams, 1 kg and 13 grams. So answer is 1 kg. So estimate the weight of the weight of an iron is the 1 kilogram is there. Here we have to write 1 kilograms. Now an elephant. So an elephant is how many kilograms? 10 kilograms, 5000 kilograms, 500 grams. So elephant is a heavier object. Elephant वो सबसे heavy है ना, बड़ा भी है, right? So 5 kilograms is there. Obviously वो 10 kilograms का भी नहीं होगा, 500 grams का भी नहीं होगा. So here we have to write 500 kilograms. What we have to write here? 500 kilograms. And envelope. So in that envelope is the 100 grams. Envelope is the 100 grams. So the estimate the weight of an envelope is a 10 grams. What we have to write here? 10 grams. Now look at this first two and write it down in your notebook. Now look at next two and write it down in your workbook. Okay students, worksheet number 9, measuring volume in the cube unit. So in that, volume of the solid object is, now volume is the amount of the space and object taken. So here a big cube is made up of small cube. Big cube है वो small cubic से ही बनता है. ठीक है. The volume of any object can be measured in the cube and is expressed in a cube this unit. Let's measure the volume of the following shapes. Now here I'll show you some shapes. Here is a object, count of cube. यहाँ पे हमारे पास cube है, different. ठीक है. Now what we have to do? We have to count it and volume. Cubic unit we have to write here. So here is a object. In that, how many cubes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what we have to write here? 6 cubic unit. How many cubic units are there? 6 cubic unit. Like that here, rectangle shapes is there. So how many cubic units are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what we have to write here? 8 cubic unit. How many units are there? 8 cubic unit. Okay. Instead of that, here is a practice 10. So we'll do the practice measuring volume in a cube unit. Now what we have to do? Measuring volume in a cube unit. So in that, count the cube and write the volume of each object. So in that, we have to count it. How many cube are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 80. How many are there? 80. So what we have to write here? 80. And here we have to write 18 cubic unit. 18 cubic units. Okay? Got it? Now next one. How many, here is the one object. Will I have to count cube? How many cube are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we have to write 8. And here we have to write 8 cubic unit. What we have to write? Volume is a 8 cubic units. This one is a volume. Object will have to count cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are there? 8. So we have to write here 8. We have to write here 8. And here we have to write 8 cubic unit. 8 cubic units. Okay. Next one. We'll count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here, how many count of the cube are? How many are there? 8. So here we have to write 8. And here we have to write 8 cubic unit. What we have to write here? 8 cubic units. Okay. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your notebook. Now look at this everyone and complete in your notebook. So students, complete it fast everyone. So students, आज हम लोगों ने वर्कशीट नंबर 7, 8, 9 and 10 complete किए, right? And now you have to complete it worksheet number 8 and 9, worksheet number 8 and 10, and before 3 o'clock you have to send your homework. Okay, homework में आप लोगों को worksheet number 8 and worksheet number 10 है वो complete करनी है. Okay everyone, bye, have a nice day.